Linear graphs. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are linear graphs? 2. What are the elements of a linear graph? 3. What special feature do horizontal graphs have? 4. What special feature do vertical graphs have? 5. How do we calculate the distance between two horizontal or vertical graphs? 6. What features do steeped graphs have? 7. What is the domain of a linear graph? 8. What is the domain of the range of linear graphs? 9. What is the procedure used to plot a linear graph with limited domain? Introduction. Do you remember from Chapter 9 what a linear equation is? Can you express a linear equation in a coordinate system? When dealing with systems of linear equations in Tutorial 9.7, we explained the graphing method for solving them. Do you remember what it consists of? How do you know whether a certain point belongs to a linear graph or not? This math chapter focuses on linear graphs, a concept that we briefly covered in Chapter 9. In this chapter, we build on the concepts discussed and explore them in more detail, including discussion of more features that linear graphs contain. That is all for Introduction to Linear Graphs. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 14.1.1. What are linear graphs? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.